If you're paying 30% corporate tax when you could pay zero, you're bleeding cash, and here's the fix. Here's the problem. Most entrepreneurs pick the wrong jurisdiction and lose thousands yearly. UAE offers 0% corporate tax for most businesses and issues residency visas in 14 days. Estonia lets you defer 100% of reinvested profits and costs only $190 yearly to maintain. Right now, if you're running a digital business from the US or EU, you're likely paying 20% to 35% in taxes. A remote consultant earning $120,000 annually loses $36,000 to taxes in California. Register in the right country and that same consultant keeps $114,000 instead of $84,000. The difference compounds over 5 years to $180,000 in saved capital. That's a down payment on property or 3 years of runway for your next startup. The choice you make in 2026 determines whether you scale fast or stay stuck. Most people fail here. They pick Panama or Seychelles because it sounds exotic, then their Stripe account gets frozen within 60 days. Payment processors flag those jurisdictions as high risk. Your business grinds to a halt. Banks reject your applications. Clients ghost you when they see a Seychelles invoice. Do not do this. You need a jurisdiction that combines low tax with banking access and payment processor approval. Otherwise you save on tax but lose all your revenue channels. Step 1 is UAE for zero corporate tax. Dubai and Abu Dhabi both work. You register a free zone company in 7 to 10 business days. Total setup cost is around $3,500 including trade license and initial visa. You pay 0% corporate tax on profits. No VAT if you stay under the threshold. You get a residence visa that lets you live there 183 days per year to claim tax residency. Emirates NBD and Mashreq Bank open accounts for free zone companies in 2 to 3 weeks. Step 2 is Estonia for deferred tax and EU credibility. This is important. Estonia charges 20% corporate tax but only when you distribute profits. Reinvested profits stay at 0% forever. Setup takes 3 weeks and costs about $190 per year in state fees. You manage everything online through the e-residency portal. Wise and Revolut open accounts for Estonian companies in 48 hours. Stripe approves you instantly because Estonia is EU. If you're selling B2B in Europe, an Estonian company wins client trust faster than a UAE or Caribbean entity. Here's the problem with going cheap. You see $500 offshore packages in Belize or Nevis. They promise anonymity and zero tax. Then you try to open a Stripe account and get rejected in 24 hours. PayPal freezes your funds. Your EU clients refuse to pay invoices from a blacklisted country. You saved $3,000 on setup and lost $40,000 in blocked revenue. The math doesn't work. Advanced move for 2026 is the UAE plus Estonia hybrid structure. Register your operating company in UAE for 0% tax and banking access. Register a holding company in Estonia to own intellectual property and collect royalties at deferred rates. Your UAE entity pays a 4% royalty to your Estonian entity for using your brand and software. That 4% is deductible in UAE so you lower any future tax exposure. The Estonian entity doesn't distribute profits so it pays 0% too. You now have payment processor access, EU invoicing credibility, and double-layered tax efficiency. ReputationZilla uses a similar structure to optimize client billing across jurisdictions while maintaining compliance in every market we serve. When you incorporate in UAE, use this exact wording in your Stripe application under Business Description, Digital Services Company providing software and consulting to international clients, registered in Dubai Multi-Commodities Center Free Zone. Stripe approves UAE Free Zone companies but rejects mainland UAE entities, so that specific wording matters. UAE gives you 0% corporate tax and banking access. Estonia defers 100% of reinvested profit tax indefinitely. Avoid Panama and Seychelles or lose payment processing. If this saved you thousands, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete international setup guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.